Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful small shopping bag using just one piece of fabric. This is perfect for beginners and a great way to make something useful and eco-friendly at home. Grab your fabric and let's get started with this project. This is the leftover fabric from my previous project. If you are using a new cloth, you can increase the measurement by 2 or 3 inches and stitch bigger shopping bag. The length of the cloth which I have here is 31 inches and width is 11 inches. At first, we need to stitch the top portion on both the sides. Double fold it and stitch it as I am showing in the video. Here I have stitched both the parts. I have taken two ready-made handle pieces with length 21 inches and width 2 inches. Instead of using ready-made handles, we can make the handles from the same fabric. If you are making handle piece from same fabric, then take the width about 4 inches, double fold it and stitch it. The length will be the same as I have taken here. Now take the fabric, fold it and mark the midpoint on both the sides. Now unfold it. Measure 2 inches from the center towards right and left side and mark it. Repeat the same for other side of the fabric. Take one of the handle piece and fold about 1 inch. Place it on the marked point and stitch it as you can see in the video. This has to be done for other side as well. Here I have attached both the handles on both the sides. Again fold it and stitch the open sides. Please give 2 or 3 stitches to avoid the unnecessary tearing during the shopping. Now turn the bag inside out and our beautiful small shopping bag is ready to use. This is the eco-friendly bag and we can reduce the use of plastics. Making this bag is really easy and I hope it is helpful to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.